Today, we're delving into the comparison between the now-month-old Steam Deck OLED and arguably the top-tier handheld, the Legion Go. Let's dive right in, shall we? Price is the first section, and the OLED undoubtedly scores big in this department. Priced at $550, it lands in the sweet spot between just right affordability and the slightly steep territory. On the other hand, the Legion Go, despite its impressive features, ventures into a budget I wouldn't personally allocate for a handheld device. With a 27% price difference, the OLED claims the throne as a more accessible and better value-for-money option, as we'll elaborate on later in the video. Let's now dissect the design philosophies of the Steam Deck OLED and the Lenovo Legion Go. The Steam Deck OLED prioritizes functionality, borrowing elements from the Steam controller, including dual touchpads and 4 remappable paddles for enhanced control. The design is ergonomic, providing comfort for extended gaming sessions. On the other hand, the Lenovo Legion Go aims to emulate the Nintendo Switch, featuring detachable controllers and a kickstand for tabletop play. However, its weight of 1.88 pounds poses portability challenges, although it compensates with an 8.8-inch display. Despite the Legion Go's attempt to replicate the Switch's success, the Steam Deck OLED stands out for its practical design and comfort, earning it the win in this category. Let's dissect the hardware matchup between the Steam Deck OLED and the Lenovo Legion Go. The Steam Deck OLED is equipped with a custom AMD APU built on a 6nm process, featuring a Zen 2 CPU with 4 cores and 8 threads, clocked at 3.5 GHz. Graphics-wise, it employs 8 RD and a 2 CUs and has 16 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM at 6400 megatransfers per second. While sufficient for its 800p target resolution, these specs are not groundbreaking and fall behind the latest market offerings. On the other side, the Lenovo Legion Go boasts a more robust configuration with the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme APU, featuring a Zen 4 CPU, 8 cores, and 16 threads, alongside the latest RDNA 3 graphics with 12 CUs. In terms of raw computing power, the Legion Go significantly outperforms the Steam Deck OLED, especially considering its double native resolution. In the realm of hardware prowess, the Lenovo Legion Go emerges as the stronger contender. Now let's shift our focus to the display comparison between the Steam Deck OLED and the Lenovo Legion Go. The Steam Deck OLED lives up to its name, featuring an OLED panel with HDR support and a peak brightness of 1000 nits. This combination delivers impressive visuals, showcasing deep blacks and vibrant colors that enhance the overall viewing experience, compensating for its lower native resolution. On the other hand, the Lenovo Legion Go opts for a more conventional IPS-bonded LCD display, offering a peak brightness of 500 nits. Beyond that, it boasts a larger screen and a substantial resolution boost, reaching 2560 by 1600p. This resolution exceeds not only the Steam Deck OLED, but also the similarly powerful Asus RG Ally. Determining a clear winner is challenging. The Legion Go's larger and higher resolution display may seem like an advantage, but the OLED technology in the Steam Deck elevates its visual quality. It's a trade-off between color accuracy and a higher resolution. This round, it's a tie, 2 distinct approaches catering to different preferences in portable gaming. Let's break down the performance of the Steam Deck OLED versus the Lenovo Legion Go. On the surface, the Legion Go seems to have an edge with its larger, higher resolution display and more powerful internal hardware running on Windows 11. However, practical considerations reveal a more nuanced reality. Windows 11, designed for PCs, presents usability challenges on the Legion Go's handheld setup. Despite this, the Legion Go benefits from multiple game launchers, offering a diverse game selection. The Steam Deck OLED takes a straightforward approach with deck verification, providing clarity on optimized titles, playable games, and unsupported software. While Linux limits game support, it offers a straightforward compatibility answer. Concerning display resolution, the Legion Go's 1600p screen encounters challenges as the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme struggles with demanding games. The Steam Deck OLED, with its 1280 by 800p resolution, may seem modest but delivers a smooth gaming experience with vibrant colors and deep blacks. While the Legion Go impresses with visuals, it contends with fan noise and heat issues, a consequence of packing high-powered components into a slim chassis. This performance compromise, along with a higher price point, positions the Legion Go as a premium, yet potentially less practical gaming device. And there you have it for today's video. In the realm of handheld gaming PCs, the Steam Deck OLED stands out as the recommended choice. Its lightweight design, user-friendly interface, extensive game support, and optimized software contribute to an overall satisfying experience. Despite lacking the larger, higher-resolution display and Windows OS of its competitor, Valve's hardware offers a compelling package for most users. However, the Lenovo Legion Go shouldn't be dismissed entirely. PC gaming enthusiasts seeking the top-tier display, enhanced performance, and the full Windows 11 experience in a handheld format might find the Legion Go appealing. It serves as a genuine gaming PC, catering to those who enjoy fine-tuning settings and maximizing game performance, albeit with some peculiarities and a higher price point. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this video informative, consider liking and subscribing. Share your thoughts in the comments on which handheld PC aligns with your preferences. Appreciate your viewership, and until the next one.